Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brochure in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and recent edits. From here we have to tap on the plus icon to create a new document. And then if you scroll down to the bottom of this list, we find at the very bottom, Brochure. If we tap on this, then the app is going to load, and after it has loaded, we are going to be presented with some templates and some styles that we can apply to our brochure. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.